Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're anything like me, you love soaking up the sun. But sometimes, that beautiful glow turns into an unwanted tan that just won't budge. We've all been there, right? You've got a big event coming up. Or maybe you just want your skin to look its absolute best. And suddenly, that stubborn tan is standing in the way. Well, you are in the perfect place today because I'm going to share my ultimate secret weapon. A powerful, all-natural 3-day routine designed to help you ditch that sun tan fast. We're talking about using ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen, making this super accessible and incredibly effective. Get ready to reveal brighter, more even-toned skin in no time. We've all experienced that moment. You spend a fantastic day outdoors, feeling the warmth of the sun on your skin, enjoying every minute, and you catch a glimpse of yourself in the mirror, and there it is. A noticeable, uneven tan that wasn't quite what you had in mind. It can be frustrating, especially when you have a special occasion looming, like a wedding or a big presentation. I remember a time when I had a friend's wedding just a few days away, and my arms looked like they belonged to a different person after a weekend beach trip. I felt so self-conscious. That's when I started diving deep into natural remedies, experimenting with different combinations, until I discovered this incredible 3-day routine. It's a game changer, and the best part is, it relies entirely on common, natural home ingredients. You won't need any fancy, expensive products. This approach is gentle yet incredibly effective, working with your skin's natural processes to help it recover and rejuvenate. Before we jump into the routine, let me just tease something important. Did you know that some common ingredients you might be using could actually be making your tan worse or harder to remove? We'll touch on that later, but for now, let's focus on the good stuff that will bring back your natural radiance. This routine is about nourishing your skin while gently encouraging it to shed those tanned layers. Alright, let's kick off day 1 with a powerful exfoliation treatment. This step is absolutely crucial because it helps to gently remove the outermost layer of dead skin cells, which are often the most tanned. By sloughing off these dull cells, we reveal the brighter, fresher skin underneath. Think of it as hitting the reset button for your complexion. For our day 1 exfoliation, we're going to use a classic combination: graham flour, yogurt, and a few drops of lemon juice. Graham flour, also known as chickpea flour, is an amazing natural exfoliant that's gentle enough for most skin types. It has a slightly granular texture that helps to buff away impurities without being too abrasive. Yogurt, on the other hand, contains lactic acid, a natural alpha-hydroxy acid that aids in gentle chemical exfoliation and also provides a soothing, hydrating effect. Lemon juice is a well-known natural bleaching agent, thanks to its citric acid content, which helps to lighten dark spots and even out skin tone. Here's the recipe. You'll need 2 tablespoons of graham flour, 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, and just a few drops of fresh lemon juice. Mix these ingredients together in a small bowl until you form a smooth paste. If it's too thick, you can add a tiny bit more yogurt or water until you reach a spreadable consistency. Once your paste is ready, apply it generously to the tanned areas of your skin. Gently massage it in circular motions for about 5 minutes. This massage action helps to stimulate blood flow and further aids in the exfoliation process. After massaging, let the mask sit for another 10 to 15 minutes until it starts to dry. Then, rinse it off thoroughly with cool water. You'll immediately notice your skin feeling smoother and looking a little brighter. Now, a quick note for my friends with sensitive skin. If you find lemon juice too strong, you can absolutely skip it or dilute it further with rose water. You'll still get fantastic exfoliation and brightening benefits from the graham flour and yogurt alone. The key is to listen to your skin and adjust as needed. This first step is all about preparing your skin for the next 2 days of intensive brightening and hydration. Welcome to day 2 of our tan removal journey. After the exfoliation on day 1, your skin is now primed and ready for some serious hydration and soothing. This step is incredibly important because exfoliation can sometimes leave the skin feeling a little vulnerable. We need to replenish moisture, calm any potential irritation, and prepare it for the final brightening boost. Hydrated skin is healthy skin, and healthy skin recovers faster. For our day 2 hydration hero, we're turning to 2 incredible natural ingredients: aloe vera and honey. Aloe vera gel is a powerhouse of soothing and healing properties. It's packed with vitamins, enzymes, and antioxidants that help to calm inflammation, reduce redness, and provide deep hydration. It's like a cool drink of water for your skin. Honey, on the other hand, is a natural humectant meaning it attracts and retains moisture. It also has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it excellent for overall skin health and repair. Together, they form a super hydrating and healing mask. The recipe for this mask is wonderfully simple. Take equal parts of pure aloe vera gel and raw honey. For example, if you use 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, use 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix them thoroughly in a small bowl until they are well combined. You want a smooth, slightly sticky consistency. Apply a thick, even layer of this mixture to all the areas where you're targeting tan removal. Let this mask work its magic for about 20 minutes. You'll feel your skin soaking up all that goodness. After 20 minutes, rinse it off gently with cool water. Your skin will feel incredibly soft, supple, and deeply moisturized. Now, for a little secret ingredient to boost the effectiveness of this mask, a tiny pinch of turmeric powder. Just a tiny pinch, like 1/4 teaspoon, mixed into your aloe and honey. Turmeric is a fantastic natural brightener, and adding it to this hydrating mask gives you a gentle brightening effect while still focusing on hydration. Be careful not to use too much, as it can temporarily stain your skin, especially if you have very fair skin. This little addition takes your hydration mask to the next level, preparing your skin beautifully for our final brightening step. Congratulations on making it to day 3. Your skin has been exfoliated and deeply hydrated, and now it's time for the grand finale, our brightening boost. This step is designed to further even out your skin tone, reduce the appearance of any remaining tan, and leave you with a radiant, luminous glow. We're focusing on ingredients known for their powerful skin lightening and brightening properties. For our ultimate brightening treatment, we're going to use a combination of turmeric and milk. Turmeric, as we briefly mentioned yesterday, is a superstar in the world of natural skincare. Its active compound, curcumin, is a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent that also helps to inhibit melanin production, which is responsible for skin pigmentation. This makes it incredibly effective at reducing dark spots and evening out skin tone. Milk, particularly raw milk, contains lactic acid, another gentle alpha-hydroxy acid that helps to exfoliate and brighten the skin. It also provides nourishment and hydration, leaving your skin feeling soft and smooth. Here's how to prepare this powerful brightening mask. Take 1 teaspoon of high-quality turmeric powder. It's important to use cosmetic-grade turmeric or a very pure kitchen turmeric to avoid staining. Then, gradually add milk, a little at a time, mixing constantly until you form a smooth, spreadable paste. You want a consistency that's not too runny but easy to apply. Apply this turmeric and milk paste evenly over the tanned areas of your skin. Let the mask sit for about 15 minutes. You might feel a slight tingling sensation, which is normal. But if it becomes uncomfortable, rinse it off immediately. After 15 minutes, rinse your skin thoroughly with cool water. Make sure to remove all traces of the turmeric to avoid any temporary yellow tint. After rinsing, you'll notice a significant improvement in your skin's brightness and evenness. This mask is incredibly effective at targeting stubborn pigmentation and revealing your natural complexion. Remember to be consistent with this routine for the best results. This 3-day cycle is designed to work synergistically, with each step building upon the last to deliver maximum impact. Now, before we wrap things up, I have a fantastic bonus tip for those really stubborn tan lines or areas that just won't lighten up. This is a little extra something you can add to your routine for an even more targeted approach. We're going to use the power of potato juice. Potatoes contain an enzyme called catecholase, which is known for its mild bleaching properties. It's a gentle yet effective way to tackle those persistent dark spots. For this bonus tip, simply grate a raw potato and squeeze out its juice. You can use a cheesecloth or a fine mesh strainer for this. Once you have the potato juice, soak a cotton pad in it and apply it directly to your stubborn tan lines or patches. Leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the enzymes to work their magic. Then, rinse it off with cool water. You can do this daily, even after completing the 3-day routine, until you see the desired results. It's a wonderful natural spot treatment. Let's quickly recap our powerful 3-day natural tan removal routine. On day 1, we focused on exfoliation using our gram flour, yogurt, and lemon mask. This step gently buffs away dead skin cells, revealing fresher skin underneath. On day 2, we moved to hydration with our soothing aloe vera and honey mask, replenishing moisture and calming the skin after exfoliation. And finally, on day 3, we boosted our skin's brightness with the potent turmeric and milk mask, targeting pigmentation and evening out skin tone. Remember, consistency is key, and listening to your skin is always important. There you have it, my friends, my go-to 3-day natural routine for fast tan removal. I truly hope this helps you achieve the radiant, even-toned skin you desire. You've seen how simple and effective it can be to use natural ingredients to transform your complexion. Imagine feeling confident and beautiful, ready for any event, with your skin looking its absolute best. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from these natural tips. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more beauty secrets, skincare tutorials, and natural remedies. Your support means the world to me and helps me create more content just for you. Coming up next, we'll dive even deeper into sun protection and how to prevent tan in the first place, because prevention is always better than cure. But before that, I'm going to reveal a secret technique for even faster tan removal that you won't want to miss. It's a game changer for those last-minute emergencies. Stay tuned for that in our next video.